Determinants of factors of supply. Definition of supply by Paul Samuelson. Supply refers to the relation between the market price and the amount of goods that producers are willing to supply. There is a reason or there is a factor behind each and every supply. Determinants of supply. Point number 1. Infrastructure facilities. Point number 2. Government policy. Point number 3. Price of commodity. Point number 4. Prices of other goods. Point number 5. State of technology. Point number 6. Cost of production. Point number 7. Natural conditions. Point number 8. Future price expectations. Determinants of supply. Keywords are given, kindly refer the same. Point number 1. Infrastructure facilities. Infrastructure in the form of transport, communication, power, etc. influences the production process as well as supply. Shortage of these facilities decreases the supply and vice versa. Point number 2. Government policy. Commodity taxes like excess duty, import duty, GST, etc. have a huge impact on the cost of production. These taxes can raise overall cost. Hence, the supply of goods that are impacted by these taxes increases only when the price increase. On the other hand, subsidies reduce the cost of production and usually lead to an increase in supply. Point number 3. Price of commodity. The most obvious one of the determinants of supply is the price of product or service. With all other parameters being equal, the supply of a product increases if its relative price is higher. The reason is simple. A firm provides goods and services to earn profits, and if the prices rises, the profit rises too. Price is the most important factor influencing the supply of a commodity. Price and supply are directly related to each other. That is, more is supplied at higher price and less is supplied at lower price. Point number 4. Price of other goods. Price of other goods, that is, complementary goods or substitute goods. Because of price of other goods, the supply may tend to vary. It may increase or it may decrease. Let's say that the price of wheat rises, hence it becomes more profitable for firms to supply wheat as compared to corn or soybean. Hence, the supply of wheat will rise, whereas the supply of corn and soybean will experience a fall. Traditional and outdated technology reduced the supply. Point number 5. State of technology. Technological innovations and inventions tend to make it possible to produce better quality or quantity of goods using the same resources. Therefore, the state of technology can increase or decrease the supply of certain goods. Technological improvements reduce the cost of production, which leads to an increase in the production and supply. On the other hand, traditional and outdated technology reduced the supply. Point number 6. Cost of production. Production of a good involves many costs. If there is a rise in the price of particular factor of production, then the cost of making goods that use a great deal of that factors experience a huge increase. The cost of production of goods that use relatively smaller amount of the said factor increases marginally.
To industrialization, more jobs, and makes the economy
Point
strong.
number 7. Natural conditions. In case of agricultural products, the natural factors like flood, drought, etc. adversely affect the supply of commodities. On the other hand, favorable climate conditions may help in increasing the supply of agricultural commodities. Point number 8. Future price expectations. If the prices are expected to rise in the near future, the producer may withhold the stock. This will reduce the supply though the current prices are high. On the other hand, if the prices are expected to fall in the near future, the producer sells more though current prices are low.